You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So in this video, it's gonna be a little bit different. I see this video on Instagram where police lock up a brother. But to how the brother go on, I feel like say, yo, Jano, them fi deal with him worse than how them deal with him. Then again, me don't see the video from the initial stage, you know. So I don't know if the police them really doing something or what. We just see one clips of a video and we all know how a simple video can be misled or you get some misunderstanding in it. Anyway, me I go play that part of the video now what we have, and then you can make a decision or you can tell me in the comment section where you really feel like it happen or something like that. See? So I can roll the intro and then we'll play the video.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
Alright, so let's go.
Batty boy, remember.
Me dey write a report.
Batty boy, remember.
You are losing record, man. Yeah, man. Record it.
Recording thing in record. But suck on the moment hold on. You I'm afraid of no Batty boy?
We're afraid of you. Sorry, my boss. Please.
And I laugh.
Please.
My granny always tell me first laugh, not laugh Batty boy.
Alright, my general, please.
I last one.
We beg your mercy.
We're going to go on so
We
far.
beg your mercy, my boss. Not doing nothing.
I want to choke your head and go catch out the Batty.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
suck your
Please, we
mama.
beg your mercy. No
That's
about
what
me.
you're thinking, mama.
No about me. Please, my boss. No, you alone know
Control
about man.
yourself in a vehicle.
Look for me here, me and Maroon. No, you alone know
Suck
about
your mama, Batty boy. Feel like you can do
When?
something.
Tomorrow again?
Go suck your mama.
We do it last night.
Go suck your mother.
We do it last
And
night.
your girl and your pitney. And your
No, me
granny.
never do my picnic yet still, but my mother and my wife, me
Go
do it.
suck out on that baby.
Anything else?
Don't talk.
Hmm?
The thumb up in my face and beat it. Eh?
Also, if you beat off the police.
Yo, me touching on the Batty boy.
If you beat off the police.
Me touching on all your Batty boy like you're a fucking girl. Yo, it's a minute about this dog. You have to shoot the pussy hole. Hey, Batty boy.
You ain't drunk. You ain't have to drunk.
What's
Yes,
wrong?
can't drink me drink all night.
No, me believe. Me no feel so you state.
Oh, what?
You're drunk, man. Me not think I say you
Kill
state.
your blood clad. Yeah, boy.
You're threatening the police. Me not think I saw him saying drunk. Maybe you see him tomorrow and he'll be different.
You're talking with him. Here. Pussy hole
If
and
you're
a
grown,
boy like
if you're grown, I said so that you're not.
lock me up. Anything on the one blood clot.
You not gonna say to me. I know some state.
The charges man for sergeant.
Yo, dog, me don't want to work again.
Then you say boy.
I'm a top criminal. Pussy, don't look for me every day. When I look for every blood clot there, come here, turn, yo, me and me most wanted man them up here.
Yeah.
And I only make me dance up pussy wall. Remember today, me don't want to work again. I mean, be most wanted man, here. Go suck on the mama. And I want to force me to come back.
Yeah, man.
Boy dog look. Yes, look. So look like him now, yes.
Your Batty boy, I don't forget your face. Pussy, you talk in your face. Your video when I had in your video. Yeah? Video, I don't know video. Yeah, the first I get I go to the station. You can run and dip up Batty boy, DC boy. Where I get 80,000 to pay a pussy one. Eh? You feel like 80,000 of money, Batty boy. Or 50,000 to rent. Pussy go suck your mother. But dump in your face, watch me. Dump in my face and take a and dump in my face. Jaw like a stinking dirty we have on your waist, Batty boy. Pussy. Make sure that your heart is of that in your hand. Suck your mother. You have me Victor man today. Yeah?
So people, when you talk the truth now, like you are them arresting officer then. You would cut him 2 bucks. Like me could just do it and stand up there and must die. So. You see me? And that's why me can't turn police, you know. Me can't turn police. Me not say that the police them fit do still, you know. But me I say me know say more than probably give him 3, 4, half dozen bucks. Somewhere there. So you see me? Give him 2 tattoo out a gun. So boy, I want to you. But I know me, and me and the police. And you know, I say police them to do that, you know, because still, as I'm saying at the beginning, we don't know what triggered this man for behave so. And we all know say police, police them can be a little bit, you know, at times. Some of the police them, not all of them, because you still have good police out there. Likewise, you have bad police, because remember, in everything you have good and you have bad. Just like how you have bad artists and you have not so bad artists, like bad mind artists. Wanna tag a bad mind artist in the comment section below. You see me? But me no know what go on, but more uno tell me what you think about this video. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section too. Yeah, comment. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. One way. Any other way, or the wrong way.